Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You want a clean base, so begin with hair that's dry or only 10–20% damp. This gives traction. Brush through to remove tangles, then apply a light texturizing spray if your hair is silky. Once done, make a horizontal part about 1/3 up from the nape and secure the lower section with a small clip. This first step prevents bulk from folding over, and it makes the upper portion easier to twist into the claw. Keep motions deliberate. Now take the top 2/3 of hair and smooth it toward the crown. You're shaping the core of the style. Twist the section away from your face until it coils naturally. Leave 1 to 2 inches loose at the ends for a softer look, or tuck everything for fullness. Once twisted, open the claw and position its teeth against the scalp where the twist meets the head. Close it so the clip grips both the twist and the underlayer. This secures volume and prevents slipping. To finish, loosen a few strands around the face and gently tug the crown for instant lift. You're shaping the final silhouette. If you need more hold, mist a light hold spray and slip in a bobby pin behind the clip or at stress points. Make sure to check balance. If the clip slips, reposition it slightly deeper against the scalp or swap to a larger clip that captures more hair. This fix addresses most failures quickly, so you can move on with confidence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.